If you can't follow on TikTok, this video is yours. I'm going to share with you possible reasons why you're having this issue and how to fix it. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, the first reason why you may not be able to follow on TikTok is because you already made 10k followers. The maximum limit of the accounts you can follow on TikTok is 10k. If you already made 10k followers on TikTok, make sure you unfollow some users so that you can follow new ones. The second reason why you are not able to follow on TikTok is because you already reached the maximum limit of the accounts you can follow on TikTok in one day. You can only follow 200 accounts on TikTok in a day. So if you have already followed 200 accounts, then wait tomorrow and this issue will be solved. Another reason is maybe you are following users too fast on TikTok. TikTok doesn't allow that. If you are following users too frequently, they will limit you and you will follow back again in 24 hours. So guys, avoid that if you want to follow accounts on TikTok. The next reason why you are unable to follow on TikTok is because you don't have space on TikTok. You need to free up space on TikTok, and to do that, go to your TikTok profile and press up on the menu button. Then guys, press on settings and privacy, and then scroll to the bottom and press on free up space. Make sure that you clear cache on your TikTok so that you can get enough space, and also clear downloads on TikTok so that you can get enough space. Press on clear and also clear downloads on your TikTok so that you can get enough space. After doing that guys, if you are still unable to follow on TikTok, go back to settings and privacy and scroll down to the bottom and press on report a problem. Then guys, press up on the search space. Then guys, press right here on following and unfollowing user right there. Then guys, press on unable to follow a user right here. Press right there on unable to follow a user. Then guys, TikTok will bring you this information right here. If your issue is not fixed after doing all those that TikTok is telling you, and it's what I've told you before, make sure that you press right here on still not working. Still not working, press right there. And what you're going to do after pressing on still not working, as TikTok is instructing you, are going to provide more details about your problem. What you're going to do is to go and screen record when you're trying to follow on TikTok and it's not working, then submit that video right there. When you press on still not working, TikTok will solve your issue. Don't forget to like the video guys, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends guys. See you in the next video guys.